Hello and welcome to SSN Lifestyle. My name is Eric Bird. I'm the CEO and founder of SSN Lifestyle, and I'm very happy to bring you another Ring of Fire opportunity. This opportunity, time is of the essence, but if we don't meet the criteria that we need to make this Ring of Fire work by November 7th, then we will roll it up to the whatever the new price is for this license, a node. In case you don't know what I'm referring to, well, first off, please subscribe to the channel. Click the all notification bells so that way you'll always get a notification and understand what we're doing here in SSN Lifestyle. We're trying to help everybody. Passive income, residual income, business opportunities, and we have memberships as well where you can actually have referral marketing, affiliate marketing. But this one here is if you want daily income, which you actually cannot tap, but all I'm saying is every day they mine tokens. And by mining tokens and earning rewards, you receive daily income. You can be a part of this. So there's a few steps, but we have a Ring of Fire opportunity, which is a group economics, and it's called the 1500 XPLR Business Opportunity. And a minimum of $250 is required. If you want to buy your own license for your node, then you can. There'll be a link down below in the description that says IX Global. So you can do it solo, by yourself, and get in for $1,500. November 7th, sometime after 9 p.m. at night, they are going to change the price from $1,500, and we don't know if it's going to be $1,750 or $2,000. So therefore, get in now. We already have $250 that has been placed inside of this Ring of Fire for the $1,500. So you can put $250, $500, $750, $1,000. It has to be increments. You can pay with debit, credit, or checking account, or you can pay with USDT, whether it's on the ERC20 chain, whether it's the BEP20, whether it's the TRC20, whether it's the Matic, the AVAX, or the Polygon. Any of those will work on your checkout, and you'll have instructions for that. Now, here's the thing, in case you don't know what's going on around here with commodity backed nodes. This is real world businesses. They're already producing royalties and have partnership agreements. Not all of these that you see on the screen are commodity projects, but there's oil, they have that already. Natural gas, they have that already. Grow, which is agriculture, they have that already. Gold, they have that already. And the ultimate, the satellite system that can find oil, water, natural gas, gold, platinum, rhodium underneath the ground from space. Do you know how much that is worth? Well, guess what? It's operating already in Nebraska. I'm going to play a short video so you can understand what we're dealing with here in case you want to put some money into this business opportunity, because you don't have to pay $1,500. If you don't have it and you're still trying to figure out how you can get in, that's the reason why we have the group economics Ring of Fire opportunities. But hear from the scientist yourself. Pay attention, please. Get your pen, pad, and papers ready. Here we go.
We mapped the water here, as Ronnie had said, and the area of the water is in blue, and the rust coming through is areas where the water is not. Okay. So we were originally going to drill right here, okay, right where it says oil 74. That's where our location was. But I moved it down here because I didn't want that into the water zone. I didn't want the incursion of water while we're drilling. But I wanted a water well close enough that we don't have to go for miles to get water, because water is very expensive to ship, to move. It's heavy, you know. And so I picked up the water just south of the 19 to 273 feet of water. And Gene is the best witness because he was there when he drilled it. The water well driller didn't think there was any water here. He said there's no water here. He was feeding water to it the entire time. And even Gene said to me, I'm not sure, James, there's any water here, because the guy said there's no water. I said, Gene, just tell him, leave that well and put a pump in. He says, you sure? That's going to be like $4,000 for that pump. I said, put a pump in the ground, let's pump it, let's see what happens. And Gene said, it's unbelievable. You know, we filled that pit in like 3 days, you know. Continued, never pumped down, very beautiful water. we moved closer to the rig because I didn't want to be 800 feet from it. So it worked out perfectly. We've got as much water as we'll ever need to drill it, and of course we have, the oil and the resource below. First of all, we have definitive proof in this pipe here because we have identified the largest oil target in North America. I'll show you that. By the way, this whole blue section here is platinum. These are 20-acre claims. This is Rhodium. Okay, we have 80 acres of Rhodium, by the way, goes for $21,000 per ounce. The total value of this pipe, if you had 1 gram of metal, is $6.6 trillion. Just to put it into perspective how big it is.
Wow.
The oil deposit that we've identified is here. Okay. Now, this is the pipe I just showed you. The color's been overlaid, so you can't see the same colors that I showed you, but this is a separate oil field that is coming out of this pipe. We found 4 pipes we've identified in this area, responsible for producing the largest field that we found in North America. The violet area here is 1,000 feet thick. 12,789 to 13,354 is natural gas. That's 900 feet of natural gas. 8 square miles in size.
Is this here?
To put that into perspective, that is twice the size of the Baja rain field in the Middle East.
This is here?
This is in Nevada.
Oh, Nevada. Wow.
It is twice the size of the Baja rain field.
I've got a question. So the scan technology makes all this possible.
That is correct.
Wow.
Thank
That's
you.
correct.
All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, or you can send an email to support@ssnlifestyle.com. Now, let's get into the reasons why you would want to do this. There's several reasons, and this particular item is XPLR, and here's the licenses that you can actually purchase at this point. Just so you know, BGLD is sold out. That's oil. That node or license is $6,000. Grow, the license is $2,500. The natural gas is $6,000 as well. DLG, $1,500. XPLR, $1,500. Aluminum is now $1,750. This also will be going up tomorrow at sometime after 9 p.m. Eastern time. That's aluminum. With this bauxite, the blocks, the Rev, and the DLS, they're coming soon. But these other ones, people are already making daily income when they own the licenses for these nodes separately. All right, those are the prices that it costs to get in. So that's why we're giving you one hell of an opportunity. Here's what we have on our SSN Lifestyle website. There'll be a link down below for this if you want to get in. And as you can see, someone has already put in $250. We have $1,250 left. And again, by 9 p.m. tomorrow, if we don't have $1,500, then what that means is whatever the price is, this will be changed. So if you want to still get into XPLR, now I haven't discussed XPLR. XPLR, as you know from the scientists, is a satellite system that can find commodities underneath the Earth's surface. You or they make deals with these corporations and companies where they either have a partnership agreement where they receive royalties or they receive some of the profits. So therefore, they actually buy the tokens on the open market. XPLR, all of those you saw are actual tokens. They're liquid. You can actually get paid every day from the mining because it mines 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. You can withdraw every day. I'm going to show you the mines in the back office so you can understand what I'm talking about here. So bottom line is all of those projects, whether it's oil, whether it's natural gas, whether it's water, whether it's platinum, whether it's rhodium, whether it's gold, whether it's silver, the satellite scan system can charge fees for exploration companies. Those fees are going to be shared with guess who? License holders with XPLR. It's the mothership. So they turn around with the profits. They buy the coins on the open market or the tokens. then they burn them permanently. That usually will increase the value because you reduce demand greatly. And it has happened so far. So that's all there is to it. You can use PayPal, you can use Venmo, and like I said before, you can use USDT, any denominations. Once you hit pay here, then you just go to the checkout and you'll be able to get in. Now, the thing is, you can read more about it down here. Remember, only put in what you can afford to lose. That is it, because nothing is guaranteed. And distribution of any of the rewards that you receive are going to be February 15th and August 15th. That's it. Even though you acquire daily return, your percentage. So if you put in $250 and it's $1,500, I haven't ran the numbers on it yet, but what is that? That looks to be roughly about 15%. Let's just say if it is, as an example, then that means you would receive 15% of the rewards. If you put in $750, then that means you're going to receive 50% of whatever rewards are. So let's get a little more adept at what I'm referring to, because I'll show you the back office. So this is what it looks like. As you know, we have a node already in XPLR. So it's this simple. Our first Ring of Fire, we got August 13th. When you purchase a node or a license, it takes 24 to 48 hours before it starts. So roughly, I'll just round out and say August 15th is when this started. Today's date is 11/6, November 6th. So literally about 2.5 months, 660, that's $300 per month, it looks like, at this current token price. But here's the thing. When this first started, the token price was 0.0004 or 5 point whatever. Now it's up to 2 cents. So it dramatically had changed because it was no more than about $60 the first month. So the last month and a half, because the coin took off 2 or 3 zeros, all of a sudden it went up to 666. So this is the power, because there's a certain thing that happened. They halved, meaning they took half of the available tokens, burnt them, and then that turned into an additional price. And so see, you can see here, look here at the mine last cycle, that's every 24 hours, $7. So when you say there's 30 days in a month, that's $210. If it stayed at this price, the price is 2 cents right now. This can fluctuate. It went down to under 2 cents a few days ago. It was at 18 cents, I believe, somewhere like that. Now it's back to 2. It's going to fluctuate. This also will fluctuate, the mining amount of tokens, every 24 hours, because as more people buy the token, XPLR, that means more of the rewards would have to be shared. So these traditionally will go down, but the price goes up, so it's a win-win. So as you can see in our previous XPLR Ring of Fire, 33,000 tokens are sitting there, which is awesome. That's in the bank. You didn't have to do anything. You don't have to do, that's the beauty of this. It's passive, ladies and gentlemen. Once you buy this license for the node, you don't have to do anything else. There is another component to this, but not for the Ring of Fire. If you are a person that loves network marketing, wants to sign up other people and make additional extra income, then I suggest you use the link down below in the description called IX Global and sign up that way. I will make a video about that another day, possibly. But here at SSN Lifestyle, I'm giving you many, many different ways to possibly earn extra streams of revenue along with what we do here. So this is another opportunity for you. Real world businesses, they are already up and operational. And what I want to show you is the news here. Just so you understand, for people who have bought into natural gas, which is known as the NatG, they just burned October 19th. They have the burn wallets, so you can check the hashes. They have the transaction, you can check the hashes. So you can see this is all legitimate. So when they bought the amount of tokens, which seems to be 8 billion tokens, and then they burn them, that increased the value of the natural gas token. Then they also, on October 19th, BGLD, which is oil, this is the original one they started a year ago, so this is brand new. You can see the burn, hashes, and the transaction hashes, and that looks like 1 billion tokens. And again, burnt, gone. Now I want to show you the halving, because halving apparently is every October. XPLR halve, so here you go. Here's the hash. Full transparency. These are real world businesses. This isn't a project that you have to think about, oh, I'm going to take a chance. They're actually doing business already. All right. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to get into this, I suggest you get in, because as you can figure it out, if everybody just put in 250, that means there's only 5 spots left. And if somebody puts in 500, that means there's only 3 spots left after that. So just think about it. You might want to get in early if you thinking about this may work for you. But again, here's the deal. When we're mining 24 hours a day, remember, I believe this was 50 over here on current cycle. 23 on the current cycle, 33,139. This could change because it's mining as we speak. All right, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, please make comments down below in the comment section, or send me an email at support@ssnlifestyle.com. And once again, don't forget, we have other products at SSN Lifestyle that can get you the extra streams of income that you need, because inflation is going up, ladies and gentlemen. And with all that said, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.